the other thing that I'm going to add, and it's not one of our reactants, it's just to make it a little bit more visual for you. I have a little bit of dishwashing soap. Okay, so I'm just going to put a couple, we'll see. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Do you guys want it colored?
Yeah.
We'll do the first one without color, okay? And then you can see what it looks like. Okay, and the other thing that I'm going to add is called potassium iodide. So I'll just, they're just kind of big chunks of crystals. And this is not a reactant. So this is a little bit unusual in that it is not going to get used up in the reaction. It's going to be, you're going to have potassium iodide, it's going to be at the beginning and it's going to be at the end. It's not going to rearrange, you're not going to have any compounds formed or anything with potassium iodide. We call this a catalyst. And it basically is something that helps speed up a reaction so that we can see it, or makes the reaction actually happen. So nothing's happening to our hydrogen peroxide right now, and we're basically going to add the potassium iodide, and that's going to make a chemical reaction occur. But hydrogen peroxide is the only reactant in this reaction. Okay?
I don't think.
Does that make sense? You have one reactant.
So there's no balancing of equations?
Well, there is going to be an equation.
Because the compound changes.
There's only one type of reaction that has one reactant. Which one is that?
Decomposition.
Decomposition. Okay. So if we had to take a guess on what our two products were going to be, what would they be?
Hydrogen,
H2O2.
oxygen.
Hydrogen and oxygen. Exactly. So this potassium iodide is basically going to make that happen. It's not going to be used in the reaction at all. You will not put potassium iodide into your balanced equation. Okay? All right.
So can I look at this and not be blinded forever?
No, it's pretty cool. I've seen this on YouTube.
Yeah? Just on YouTube, never in real life?
Well, no.
Okay. We good? Everyone watching? Okay. I'm going to take my potassium iodide.
Where do you want to touch it? There's a nip tag.
So what are you looking at right now?
Science.
Foam. What's the foam made of? Yes. But what are they made? Hydrogen and oxygen, exactly.
If you lift those bubbles on fire, would they